To replace the V-seal, take the Allen key from the spares and toolkit and remove the 2 bolts on the bottom side of the yoke. Pull the yoke off of the piston rod. Then remove the knobs holding the V-seal block to the top cylinder. You can now pull the block off of the top cylinder. You might need to use a screwdriver to push it off. Inside the V-block, you will see the V-seal. Take a screwdriver and pull the V-seal out of its slot. In the Tools and Spares kit, you will find replacement V-seals. Place the V-seal into its slot. The opening of the V-seal should be facing towards you. Use the screwdriver to push the V-seal completely into its slot without any fault. Take the pump unit and place the V-block back onto the piston rod and onto the top cylinder. Push the block well onto the top cylinder. Make sure there is no gap visible between the V-seal block and the top cylinder itself. Take the knobs and secure them onto the top cylinder. You are now ready to reassemble the yoke onto the piston rod. Push the yoke onto the piston rod, aligning the 2 holes on the piston rod with the 2 holes in the yoke. Place the bolts, making sure the side used for tightening are on the closed side of the yoke. Tighten the bolts and you are ready to reassemble the pump.